What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's happening? We are live right now. Yes, we are live right now. We are live and active. Just type a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear, and if you can also see my screen. I have a gold trade. No, not a trade. I have a gold chart that I'm sharing on the right side here. Just let me know that. I'm trying to send this to my community as well, so they can join the stream, right? Yeah. But we are live right now. We are live. Awesome. I see the ones. Is the music fine? Is it too loud? Last time we had loud music. Crazy. I only realized that at the end of the stream. That was insane. You know, that was insane. But are we good now? Someone says yes, yes, yes. I'm holding GBP USD. Okay, all the best. It's bleeding blues. Really? Top of the morning. Yeah, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Have you taken any trades so far? There's no music. No, there is music, but I think it's just maybe low. Let's try and like increase it a little bit. Maybe we'll leave it at 10. There is music. It's too low. It shouldn't be too high. Play some Drake. That's not the stream for that. There's no music. We don't need the music, maybe, right? Yeah, whatever. Guys, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, guys. I just came on here for a London session stream. Probably be here for maybe like an hour, as per usual, and just kind of like give you guys some trades. But I want you guys to do me one favor, right now, because I know not everybody is onto this platform, right? I want you guys to do me one favor, all right? Just one favor as we start the stream. We're about to hit 6K subscribers inside our main Telegram channel, right? So we're about to hit that. I'm hoping we could hit that today, all right? And if you are not inside here, go join, because if you hit 6K, I'm probably gonna do something for everybody in the channel, all right? So make sure there's a link in the description right now. You guys can click it, right? I think it's at the bottom of the video, I think. Just go join the main Telegram channel. We are currently at like 5,986 subscribers. So maybe we need like an extra, I don't know if it's 14 or something, all right? You guys go join the channel right now. Let's get it to 6K before the end of the day. And then I'll do something for very interesting for everybody in the channel, all right? Just make sure you guys can go and join the channel, right? Yeah, because we have the link we have a link somewhere in the description. Go join the channel, guys. Go join right now. Go join the channel. If you're not inside, make sure you join. Go join the channel right now if you're not inside, all right? And then I'm going to do something very interesting for everybody. Not for one person, not two people. It's not money. It's not anything. I'm going to do something. You're not audible or no sound. Wow. No, my sound is active. This person says I'm not audible. What are you saying? I think I'm audible enough, right? Guys, let me know. Is the mic active? I think it's active. Yeah, the mic is active right now. I don't know. Yeah, I think the mic is active. How come Telegram was banned in Zambia? It was banned? I don't know about that. Honestly, I don't know about it being banned, because I have Telegram right now myself. Yes, you are audible. Yeah, I think it's one person. Guys, go join this Telegram channel, right? Go join it. There's a link below this video that we have running right now, okay? Let's get it to 6K before the day ends, right? Yeah, anyway, I was looking at gold here. I've been trading gold a lot lately. We can hear you loud and clear. Yeah, I thought so too. I don't know what this person's saying they couldn't hear me for some reason, but yeah, I thought so too. But anyway, I was looking at gold this morning. I've actually been up since 3 in the morning. Up, and I procrastinated 2 moves, to be honest, and it hurts that I did that. But I don't think it hurts like to the max, because sometimes I kind of feel like you're better off waiting for the moves that you have confirmed based off like on how you trade, right? So I saw this happening There's a move I saw happening exactly at 3 here, right? Price rejected, then we went up here. I was going to enter right there, but I figured out maybe price is, a little bit, maybe, still in a range. Then it went up. Then I was like, oh, fine, I'm going to leave it, right? Then I saw price starting to range. It ranged the whole time. It ranged for like a good couple of hours. It only made the next move somewhere here. I was going to get inside this one too, but I procrastinated it as well. All right. And the reason why is I was just mainly waiting to see if we could go to maybe like 50 fib level. We had a fib level here. We actually do have. But I was waiting to see if price can go to this level, right, before it could actually even push to the upside, right? But then it looks like price is like literally just came here and then just turned, right? I was hoping it wasn't going to turn just right there. I was hoping we were going to go somewhere like maybe down here, and then maybe turn after that, right? But it didn't happen for whatever reason. But it's good. It's okay. Probably we're going to wait for a better move after, But it looks like gold is bullish. It was bearish for some time yesterday, not like long term, but it was bearish for like some time. It wasn't banned. You just have to pay now. Really? You have to pay to join Telegram? I didn't know about that. What does it say if you're opening a Telegram account? What does it say, guys, if you're opening a Telegram account? What exactly does it say? I didn't know that you have to join. I mean, you have to pay, really. This person says you have to pay to join Telegram. I don't know, but maybe if you have to upgrade to like a paid version or something. Yeah, I didn't know about that. It's a new version. It's like $2. Wow, I didn't know about that. Yeah, I've been lost. I didn't know about that, to be honest. It's very free for me. Yeah, it is free for me too. It's just that I use like a premium one. I pay like to just access certain couple features, but I kind of feel like it's a free platform, It charges for the SMS for confirmation. Wow, I didn't know about that. But I think it's worth it. If you're going to access certain platforms, like $2 is not really something crazy, if you'd ask me. Yeah, I really think it's just like worth it, to be honest with you. Like, I do think it's worth it. Yeah, I don't know what you think, but personally, I think it's worth it. Yeah, $2 should be like 50 kwacha, something like that, right? Not even less than that, I think. We have FOMC tomorrow. Yes, I know about that. FOMC tomorrow. Interesting. Can't wait. Really can't wait. It's always the big bag. Always the big bag. I'll talk about this not today. I'll talk about it tomorrow. I'll be live again tomorrow, probably in the maybe early mornings or late afternoons. I'll talk about this. It's 9 p.m. tomorrow. FOMC, always my best days. Always my best days. All right. So we have that tomorrow, guys. If you don't know about FOMC, make sure you join the stream I'll do tomorrow. Right. So right now we're at 5,989. Let's see if on stream we can get it to 6K. If you guys can do it, I'm going to announce what I'm going to do here on stream. All right. So let's go join the Telegram channel. If you're not inside, go join. Anyway, let's go back on the charts. So gold is still bullish, kind of like ranging if you look on the left side. I don't know for how long it's going to be doing this, but it's bullish actually. If you check, it looks like we actually took out a recent high somewhere here. This is a 5 minutes time frame. We took out Asian Sessions high. What I am waiting for, let me tell you what I'm waiting for. All right. London starts at 9, which is like in the next 45 minutes from now. I'm waiting for London to start. When London starts, I'm going to wait for any push to the downside first. All right. And the push that I'll wait for, I'm hoping before London, maybe gold can get to this level. All right. If it can, then I'll wait. If London opens up here, I'm going to wait for it to press to the downside back into this area. Then I'm going to buy further into this area. Right. So basically, I'm long-term bullish, but I'm going to wait for gold to kind of like, push further to downside first. And then that's when I'm going to like look for like a bullish move, continuation, basically. Right. Yeah. This is like what I'm waiting for. Yeah. I think it's bullish, but I don't have a trade right now. I haven't taken any trade today so far, but we should have a good day anyway. Let's just wait and see. Yeah, yesterday we had a very good day. I had a pretty much decent weekend as well because I was trading like a small account. I am still trading a small account as well. Well, I'm trading it side to side with my big account, but I'm trading like I was trading like BDC over the weekend. It's the same strategy. It's the same everything that I just like put to use. In case you're ever wondering, it's just the same everything. Yeah, already joined. Nice, nice. Let's all join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description right now. It's at the bottom. Just go join it. Is there a way to join more than once? Now you can't join more than once. What time would the live be tomorrow? Maybe in the morning or maybe midday. Midday could be like maybe like 2 p.m. Yeah, that's not really midday, but yeah, kind of like close to after midday. But yeah, I could do the stream around that time. That you guys would just like understand what I'm expecting for FOMC. Or I could go live for FOMC. How about that? What do you guys think? I could go live on YouTube for FOMC. That'll be the first time. No, won't be the first time. I think we've done a live stream on YouTube for FOMC. Yeah. What do you guys think? We should go live for FOMC tomorrow. Trust me, I could do it. Normally, I restrict it to only my students and my Signal platforms. But I'm thinking tomorrow. This is a random thought. Maybe we could do an FOMC live stream. Like we stream the whole FOMC from when it starts, from before it starts to when it finishes, to us catching trades on the stream. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. No stress. Tomorrow we're going to be live for FOMC instead. Okay. What time is FOMC? So FOMC is going to be at 9 p.m. We're going to go live at exactly 45 minutes. Yeah, 20:45. Yeah, put that on your calendar or somewhere. Just put it on your tab. We'll be live tomorrow for FOMC at 8:45. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be live for that. We'll try that live together. So if you want to make money, just go look for equity, whatever. Just fun. Tomorrow is the day. All right. I'm not expecting too much from today on these markets. Of course, I'm seeing movements here. Let's look at BDC. Let's see what's happening with BDC as well. But BDC is retracing now. It was up. I saw it up before. Yeah, we took out this over the weekend. That's what I was trading actually. Look at this. You see this? We took out this here. Yeah, we took out this and I was just trading the structure. Then we came down and I think I ended sales. I ended a couple cells here. I ended a couple cells here too. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, it was a very nice move. But I think the move is down to the downside, to be honest with you. It's a down move. Now we're going to be trending to the upside now. It looks like it. So let me check out everything here. Looking for it. There's great volumes. I don't know why my stream keeps reloading for some weird reason. Yeah, I just noticed that. Go live. Yeah, we're going to go live. Volume is pretty part of a degree. Okay. That'll be fire. Yeah, we're going to do a stream tomorrow. Definitely, we're going to do a stream tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be awesome. Yeah, we're going to do a stream tomorrow. I can't see the link on Telegram. It's at the bottom of the stream. Just check the description. It's really just at the bottom. Yeah. I don't think it can be network, Jonas. I don't know. I'm using Starlink. Would Starlink be giving me issues? I don't know. It's just doing that. No, if you check, let's do a speed test. All right, let's do a speed test. Now let's do speed. Wait. Speed test. Right. Let's see. Speed test. No. My Wi-Fi is just going slow. Yeah, this is very bad. No, this is really wicked. It's not supposed to be doing this. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, but anyway, as long as we're still live, we'll try and fix that. Let me ask somebody to check what's causing this. Give me a second, guys. We don't need this. It's gonna mess up the stream. We only need 10 more people to join Telegram. Guys, only 10 more people to join the main channel. And let's hit 6K. And then I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do for all of you. All right. Someone's gonna fix it. But meantime, we're still live anyway. This is our BDC on the 30 minutes time frame. What I'm looking for here, if you look at the 4-hour time frame first, you'll realize that this market is pretty much decently been going to the downside, yeah, for some time, but it's going down from here. If you check from, okay, I won't use that wick now. It's not right to do that. I'm going to use this wick here instead. It's been going to the downside across this area. How do you join the VIP Signal platform? Just hit me up, fund your account at Exness, and then we're going to add you. All right. So what I'm waiting for, right? I was hoping that maybe this was going to just be entirely a retracement across this impulse move. It doesn't look like it, right? What I'm waiting for is to see to it that price starts to close above 61.8. In this case, I'll be trading what is deemed as a continuation, right, back to the 100 level, right? So then what I'll do is I'll go to the 30 minutes time frame, and then while I'm on the 30 minutes time frame, man, this is messed up. Okay, there we go. While I'm on the 30 minutes time frame, I'm gonna wait, right? Waiting for what? Okay, there's a level here. Bear in mind, let's drag this back to where it has to be. We'll drag it back there, and then we can say, okay, I hope it's the same level though. Let's check out 4-hour time frame. Let's go back on the 4-hour time frame. I just want to make sure it's the same level. Guys, my stream has been messed up by the connection. I hope they get it fixed quickly. Yeah. Okay, anyway, the actual level is this, and then we have a 30 minutes time frame. Someone says, I've already joined. Okay, good. That's awesome. Pretty decent. All right, let's see if more people can actually join while we're live here. If more people can actually join, that's actually even better. If more people join, that's even better. Right. I need to fix this. Let me reload this. It's weird though. It's weird, like from nowhere. Totally weird. Oh, okay, let's take this back. Nah, let's take this back. We don't need to move this. Anyway, I was looking at 30 minutes time frame initially, and level of consideration was this 61.8. If price was to start closing above this level, especially if you're looking at the 30 minutes time frame right now, all right? If price, okay, the highest I think price should go is back into this area, right? That's if it does. That's like the area of interest that I have. Currently, my support level of interest, right? If price comes inside here, and then it does create support in here, right? I'm gonna look for further buys because price most likely is gonna be buying, right? This is basically what I'll be looking for. Why is it not just, sorry, why is it not right using that wick? Now, because it's too high. And then also because the trend literally just starts somewhere here, okay? In fact, it's supposed to even start somewhere here, but it's almost the same area anyway. So yeah, I wouldn't look at this because then we had a retracement within this move. So, which is kind of like a very crazy retracement. I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, this 4 hour, right? If you look at the 4-hour time frame, right? So after that move, there's a wick there that we use this here because this is where the actual trend, the bearish trend starts from. There's exhaustion, the actual trend starts from here and we go down here, right? Yeah, so if you look at 30, we'll be looking for a push inside this area here, which is like 88, 200. Yeah, inside here. Patience is the rule of the game, okay? The fact that you don't have trades running doesn't nullify you from being a trader. Patience is the rule of the game. Always is the rule of the game, right? It's your ability to hold on to trades that obviously you have to hold on to in the sense of like, you know what, this trade is still within my trade plan. And if I hold on to it for a bit longer, I bet that most likely I'm going to make profits, right? But it's when you don't do that you are cutting out wins quickly, then you're letting losses run more, which is kind of like what most people tend to do, you know, and that sets you behind, to be honest with you, right? But like in this case, it's patience to really wait for the right entry, waiting for the right point when we are going to make an execution, right? That's what's happening right here, right? We're going to wait for price to top here. This is going to be our area of interest, right? Our main support level. If price tops into this level, we're going to look for buys. Right? I don't know if that's going to happen on the stream. If it does, well, we're going to take it. If it doesn't, well, that's fine. At least you guys know what to do afterwards, right? And then further continuation will most likely be if we break this level. There's a level of interest here too, right? It's kind of like a resistance level. If I zoom in here, you guys can see it. I think so. Yeah. But let's wait for this. Okay, we're waiting for something like this. All right. Price needs to tap into this area before the next push to the upside. Yeah, I think so. I really think so. I don't think this is bearish. I think it's bullish now because now we have, look at this. Now we have kind of like higher highs and higher lows, right? You've got highs and lows and highs and lows and highs and lows and highs, right? Which is kind of like what you're seeing across this entire area here, right? So yeah, bullish on BTC USD, bullish on BTC USD. Just waiting for the right entry. Just waiting for the right entry. Good morning. Just joined the live stream. Awesome. Good to have you here. Wall Street Puppy. Where did you get that name from? Why is it? Okay, I think I answered this. Trading BTC as a CFD is safer. It keeps liquidating crypto investors. Yeah, it has been doing that lately. So I'm facing an issue of stagnation whereby I make profit and lose it. You are not profitable yet. You need to keep learning. Yeah, you are stuck in a break-even stage. That's why you're stagnant. So you need to approach these markets in a whole different way. Maybe acquire some different level of skill. Okay, where you can find it, there's guys out there that probably have a better skill and they can teach you how to become consistent. Right? Because now you're stuck. It's because you're only functioning based on the things that you know right now. Okay? And you can't function beyond that currently. Right? That's what it means. My son is here, guys. Okay, look, I'm on stream, right? So you're gonna watch? Yeah. He didn't go to school for some weird. Okay, no, not for some weird reason. He's not feeling well. Okay, look. That's all. Okay. Yeah. I'm coming, okay? Right, get on. Okay. Go. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Kid wants to trade. Yeah. Not feeling well. Supposed to be in school. But yeah. Someone says a friend gave me that name. Ah, okay. Friend gave you that name. I'm Hopkins. Okay. I enjoy the candlestick science and the way you naturally break it down. Awesome. Yeah, that's like part of the one of the segments to my main course that we do provide. Candlestick science, how you can read candles the right way. All right, guys, you're not joining the Telegram channel. Let's all join. We're stuck at 59999, not 5990. We only need 10 more people to get this channel to 6,000 subscribers. Let's get it then. And then you guys can, okay, we're getting to top this area very soon. But it's not just about the type. It's about also the change in structure on the lower time frame, which in this case is going to be 5 minutes time frame. What I'll be looking for on 5 will be to see to it that maybe we can have something like this, because then on a 5 minutes time frame, if we get maybe markets retesting a level, let's say like twice, right? It obviously means that we could see a reversal, right? You guys know about those, beginner, signs, right? Which is kind of like useful as well, right? So if price does something like this in here, right? It comes here, then it does that, it does this. I'm going to enter a buy right here, right? For price to go up, right? Yeah, I just want to enter a buy right now because price is topping this area. No, right? I need to wait for some kind of confirmation. Now, the confirmation is this, right? If this happens anywhere around this area, okay, inside here, then I'm going to look for a buy. This is what I'm going to do. Yeah. Can we look at Nas? We're going to look at Nas. Put him on the mic. He say daddy. Yeah, he say daddy, but he doesn't need to be on the mic. Guys, like you can teach. Okay. Yeah, it's part of being a dad. Can you share your gold analysis for today? I just did. I'm looking for buys there, but price is so high. I'm going to wait for price to kind of like come low. Right. Anyway, this is what I'll be waiting for on BTC USD. Okay. Right now it's bearish. I don't want to take that bearish move. But also if price breaks the low, right? Don't forget we have a low of Asian. This is the Asian low here. Okay. If price takes out the Asian low before London, that's going to be crazy. Right? What I want to see is price not taking out the low of Asian before London, and then London opening right at Asian sessions low, then that's good. Okay, we all know that London starts in the next 30 minutes, so let's see if in 30 minutes we're still going to open at the low of Asian. All right, and if you're wondering why I'm looking at all these things, well, we have a course for that where you can learn ideally how to read trading, how to trade, how to read trading sessions based off like the volumes that they have in based off like the break of a low, break of a high, and what that actually means. You can also see I have a green line somewhere here, which is like my daily open, right? That also signifies something every single day when I'm trading, right? So it's kind of like it gives me a mapping in relation with where price is most likely going to go for the day, right? So that's what I'm waiting for here. Let's see if we can get something like this to confirm the trade. How much is what? So can you show your buy zone in gold? Let me show my buy zone in gold. Do I even have a buy zone yet? Looks like it's gonna push to the upside. I'll probably look for this. Okay, if price can come into, let's look at 15 minutes time frame first. Now 15 minutes time frame looks like price is just gonna take off here. Why does it look like this? Same thing with 30 minutes time frame. It looks like we have so much volume for price to just push. Do you see that? Do you see what I'm saying anyway? I'm looking at this candle here. There's a candle right here, this bullish candle. It took out the high, and it kind of like we took out a swing high, right? So bear in mind, we came low, high, then we broke the low, then we went up, then we came here, then we went up, then we came here, then went up, then we came here, then we came here, then we came here, then now we are somewhere here. If we extract this, look at how that looks. This looks like this. So what I'm saying is that it looks like we're breaking this high. There's a high there that we're breaking. Yeah, it looks like we have. Don't you guys think this could be a bullish continuation? I do think so too. Looks like could be used as a spot to just like buy. Well, to be honest with you, I wouldn't be shocked if we see price doing something like this. If we see price just continuing off this area, I wouldn't be shocked. But is it the safest thing to do? I don't know about it being safe. Would I want to do it? I'm actually thinking about it now. Especially with London that's coming up soon. I legit wanted to see price push down first, but again, I'm seeing to it that price has tested this level once, twice, 3 times. There's a high chance it might not come back to this level. If you look at the 15 minutes time frame, this area here, there's a high chance it might not really come back to it. The fact that it's tested it twice. So then I'm thinking, what if a buy could be valid here for price to break this all-time high yet again? I'm just thinking. I think I'm going to take this trade, guys. Yeah. Let me see. The risk is like 150 points to make 496 points. Yeah, looks good. It does look good. Would I have my risk high? I don't think so. Okay, let me see how the 50 minutes candle is going to close like. Yeah, let me see how the 50 minutes candle is going to close like. Right. Initially, I'm bullish on gold. Right. No doubt about that. Right. I just want to time a good entry. That's just what I want to do. I just want to time a good entry. Yeah. Do you think gold can reach 5,200? Yes, I do think it can. If that's going to happen today, I don't know about that. I noticed that you can have info or know how to trade, but that does not make you proficient. Yes, 100% doesn't make you proficient. It doesn't, for sure. You're right on that. It doesn't make you proficient. What is the name of that indicator making sessions? It looks clean. I have been using. Hit me up. I'll tell you about it. What about FVG at 87.75 BTC? FVG. I don't know what FVG is. Fair value gap. I don't know about that, man. I don't really use that information to trade. But if you're seeing that, you could use it. All strategies work. It just depends on who's using it. Yeah. There we go. Guys, I'm entering this. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna risk maybe I'm gonna risk $1,500 here. Yeah. There's room it could retrace, yes, because if you look left, right? If you look left, there's all this chaos, okay, on the left side, okay? And then bear in mind, price went down, and then it's here, right? It can push up here, up to this level, and then maybe it can find some more chaos back. Yeah, and then do this before FOMC breaks the all-time high again. Probably, just as my thought, right? So you just better risk responsibly, especially that London hasn't started. It's starting in like the next, maybe like a few minutes from now. It starts at 9. So let's see if by 9, if London at 9 opens above Asian, because we have Asian here. If London at 9 opens above Asian, that's a little bit extra more confluency. Yeah, for price to maybe most likely push to the upside. Is this stop correctly placed? Let me see. Okay, initially it's supposed to be below this candle, but I think it's okay. Yeah, let's look at 5 minutes time frame. It looks like we're buying high on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, guys, price can retrace here. It can retrace into this area before maybe pushing up again. There's a possibility for that. There is a possibility for that. All right, just take note of that. That's a possibility. But let's see how London is going to open. Then we can make a judgment from there. Yeah, looks like it's trying to push, but there's no volume anyway. Let's see. I think volume is going to come into during London session. My thought. Yeah. But I took the trade. Personally, I took the trade. Yeah. I did take the trade. How much is access to your videos for candlestick science? It's not candlestick science, it's just the entire course. You have to pay a certain amount of money. Just hit me up and then you get details about that. I have a group where you are helping, I have a group where we are helping funding people all the way to 10K. I wanted to ask for more people, maybe we can do a collab. Whoa, you guys are funding people? Is it like pro firm? Straight into profits. It looks like it, but let's just see. Which currency pair is this one? You are showing just join now. It's not a currency pair, it's gold. Look, it's XAU USD. It's gold. That's the symbol for gold. Okay? Yeah. Telegram always wants you to pay to just have an upgrade. You don't need that, to be honest. Unless you're doing like tutorials and whatever, but you don't need that. What components make you profitable and stay consistency in the craft? You just need to have the right information. Yeah, to be honest with you, just the right information, get a proper mind, basically. What is your take on FOMC tomorrow? We'll trade live tomorrow. Yeah, we'll trade live tomorrow at 8:45 p.m. live FOMC. Let's put it in the chat, okay? Let's say FOMC live. Yeah, let's say live stream. Okay, yeah, live stream. So you guys can know. Everybody's going to be asking about this. $8:45 p.m., which is CAT, Central African Time. Yes, we are straight in profits. Yes, we are straight in profits. You see that? FOMC live stream tomorrow at 8:45 p.m. Are you excited about that? We don't need people to buy accounts. We just want good traders. What do you mean by that, though? Oh, I mean, hit me up. Let me hear whatever you have to offer. Then we just look at that. It's a pro firm. Oh wow. Okay, it's a pro firm. Okay. Okay, we're in profits now. And we are trading live right now. Yeah, man. I am in profit. There. I'm maybe one of the only traders that not the only, but one of the few traders that trades live here with you guys. Like, you get to see my analysis, you get to see me take trades as well. You get to see me experience the trade to a certain extent. Yeah, sometimes I end the live because you don't like the stream. So if you like the stream, I'm going to continue. If you don't like, especially if you join the Telegram channel as well. Yeah, especially if you join. We have 8 more people. We just need 8 more people to hit 6K in our main Telegram channel. Check out this. We have 8 more people. Yeah, we need 8 more people. Go join. There's a link in the description right now. Just go join. Yeah, God is pushing up now, guys. No, I didn't send this trade to our Signal platforms. No, I didn't send it because we are on stream. I was gonna send it, but it looks like it's happening real fast. But if it goes back to entry, maybe I'll consider sending it. If it goes back to entry, maybe I'm gonna consider doing that. Maybe. I'll join the channel, guys. You stay updated throughout. Yes. Go join the channel right now. Go and join the channel right now. What else are you guys trading though this morning? What else are you guys trading? Yeah, I don't expect volume right now. But maybe when London starts. There we go. Okay. What's the stop loss and take profit? Just open your eyes and put whatever you want to put. Free Telegram stop working in Zambia unless you get a premium or APK cracked version. Wow. I didn't know about that, man. I just learned about that today from you guys here, to be honest. Like, I had no idea that you had to pay to join Telegram. I had no idea. Zero idea. Zero idea. Yes, God is moving up. Give us a TP level. No, I'm not giving you a TP level. Why is it that a trade can't be entered on a $10 account? You have to increase your leverage because the account is already small. You have to increase your leverage. Okay, TP level overall. I'm projecting this one first. 51110. Yeah, 510 basically. 51110, which is this level, right? I think the next bias for gold depends on this level. Where gold heads to next from here. Literally, I think just depends on this level. Yeah, this one. It could be 511, which is 5111. Could be 510. The next bias depends on that. Yeah. But right now it's bullish. You just go buy gold and delete your MT4. Kidding, don't do that. Don't do that. You get fried. Stop loss? No stop loss. Just enter no stop loss. You guys want me to tell you everything, right? No stop loss. All right. Don't use a stop loss. Just okay. I'm gonna put the link here. Some of you guys are asking me to put the link here. I'm gonna put the Telegram link somewhere here. All right. Go join. It's somewhere in the description though. Just figure it out. Can you look at NASDAQ? Okay, I'll go look at NASDAQ. Just give me a second. Account size is a stop loss. Don't ever do that. You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. Oops, man, look. We are trading live trading right now. Who else does that? They all send you signals in Telegram and whatever, all these things. Few of them are gonna come here and trade live with you and use their strategy to showcase that, look, this is exactly what I do every time. It takes a lot, guys. All right? Yes, it takes a lot. And if I could, I would. I could go live for every trade that I take, but I mean, it's not possible, obviously. But I just do this to show you that if one day you can acquire a strategy that works, you can eventually find yourself becoming consistently profitable, right? Yeah, you will have losses, trust me. Like, you will have losses. I do have losses. I make losses too. But I mean, you most likely minimize the amount of times you lose. You maximize the amount of times you win, because at that point you have a winning strategy. My TP1 is here. Okay, my TP1 is here. Let me show you, so that you know that you have to secure your gains or part of your gains as soon as price is here. Okay, TP1 is right there. All right, that's what my TP1 is, right here. It's maybe roughly like 5,095. 5,095. This is my take profit 1. Can you still enter for buys? Up to you. You don't get enough credibility. That's okay. Can we still enter for buys? Up to you. Yeah, I wish everybody could trade live. Yeah, no, you should wish every mentor should trade live, so they can sit here behind the chart and then also just like break down these things based on how they trade. It's a few of them that will do that, trust me, because most of them, they are in other channels. Maybe they're in my signal platform and they just copy and paste in their channel. So then it makes them look like they are the gods. It makes them look like they know what they're doing. But trust me, they are just subscribed to other people who know what they're doing, and then they copy and paste. Yeah, I don't mean everybody, and I'm not hating on anybody anyways. Just telling you, we're just trolling as well right now. On that 1 hour time frame, sorry, or 15 minutes now, can we still enter for buys? I don't know, man. I don't know. Remove the stop loss, delete the MT5. Let's meet at the Lamborghini dealership next week. You know where we're going to meet? If you do that, we're going to meet in devastation. Because the account is going to blow. Okay? Don't ever do that. All right? Don't ever do that. Don't ever delete your MT5 and in hope that your trade is going to play out. And you wake up one day and open and just find that it's winning. No, don't ever do that. You have to manage your positions. All right? Yeah. I'll do a window open 4 hour. We haven't done that in a long time, trust me. And we've been sending signals to all the platforms, but something I haven't showed you guys is that we have a Discord, right? We've been sending a lot of signals in here, right? A lot. You can see that. Yeah, look on the camera there. A lot of signals. This is our Discord platform. We're gonna do a window open this Sunday, right? Take note of that. Meaning you guys can join. I think that should be for the first time this year we're doing a window open. Yeah, you guys can join Discord so you can have even much more better signals and service, right? It's a paid platform. Yeah, we have VIP, which is free, but you have to find an account with Exness that you open with the link in the description. But to join Discord, you have to just pay $1,999 and then you join, all right? Yeah, but we'll do a window open on Sunday. You guys can join on Sunday, right? Yeah, on Sunday. Sunday is what? Wait, let's see. No, we can't do a window open on Sunday. We're gonna do a window open on No, we're gonna do Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, because then we're looking at February, right? We wanna like just admit new members for February. So we're gonna do maybe like Saturday or Sunday. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, whatever. I just recently joined. Is that gold you are looking at? Yes, it is gold we're looking at. What can you say about that 1 hour bearish order block? Is it valid or invalid? I don't know about order blocks, but I know for a fact that maybe if you're looking at this whole area, okay, there is for sure a resistance level here. There is a resistance level here, okay? Yeah, there is a very strong resistance level here. The only reason why I took buys is because it's broken the high, and then London looks like it's going to open above Asian, and I'm hoping we could push further up, but further up to maybe this level first before we can, if we break this level, we can go up. But there's a huge resistance level here. Look, it's this one here. There's a very huge resistance level right here. Yeah, very huge one. That's the reason why price has failed to break. Like, look, it went up, it came down, it went up. It literally just fell yesterday off the same resistance level here. If you check, it just dropped. Okay, there was a trend line here, but it literally dropped from the same resistance level right there. We saw a huge drop. Yeah, I was just scalping the whole move yesterday. I scalped the buy, I think, somewhere here. I scalped a quick buy to here, closed, price dipped. I ended the buy here, closed here. Price went up, came back down, and I stopped trading, and I was done. No, not here. Was it? No, somewhere here. No, I think it was here. Yeah, whatever, but I think I was scalping somewhere here, late in the night. Yeah, guys, I'm hoping that price can touch this point first, and then we can call that a TP1 hit. Right now, it's not. London session opens in 7 minutes. Maybe it's going to bring the volume. Kindly share TP and stop loss. Okay. Only you are the god. Appreciate that. You're the best. Thanks. We'll meet in devastation. Yeah, if you're going to do that. True. I once saw a trade plan in a certain group. Yes, they copy and paste, which is okay. There's no copyrights to my work. Just copy and paste as long as you become better. Okay. Just go copy and paste and just become better. Yeah. But just don't like people that's your work. Just don't tell them that that's your work. Just tell them, hey, you know what? I copy and paste from Mr. Nas, and then I you know, this is what I'm doing, which is okay. Okay, I think I read this. Didn't it make a reverse, an inverse head and shoulders after the drop yesterday, then back to the upside today? Yeah, it did that. But guess what? I don't think it's complete yet. So, because the thing is, it can go here, it can come back, and it can do that. Okay, so we just need to be careful with what we're doing. Yeah, it can do that. Yeah, but we need to be very patient. Let's look at NASDAQ. Let's go check out NASDAQ. Okay. NASDAQ is bullish, extremely bullish. Yeah, I had a stop hunt here. Look at how crazy this is. Let me show you. Look at this stop hunt. Crazy. No, that's not today. That's not even yesterday. That was was it on Thursday? No. Was it on Thursday? It was, yes. But that was like my own trade. I didn't say this to anybody. But I had a stop hunt here. And then prices went down after. We all had this, right? We had these kind of trades. Yeah, because they suck. You know, prices at your level, then you make an entry and then it goes up, whatever. But yeah, this is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. But we look like we're creating a resistance level now. Here, we do have a resistance, especially if this candle closes. Oh, it's going to close in 4 minutes. It's breaking the low, means we have a resistance level. So what we'll then do, we'll stretch a fib here too, right? Our fib is going to be stretched from from this low, okay, to up that high, all right? And then we're waiting to see what price is going to do across each of these fib levels. We still have a long way to go. If you're trading NASDAQ, it's bullish, but you have to wait for price to push down first, okay? One thing I do see is we have an exhaustion area here too. Yeah, we do have an exhaustion area right there. That's an area of interest we do have. Right. If you're patient enough, it's going to pay. You can wait for price to come back into this area. Yeah. Would I recommend you sell? No. You'll be trading against the trend. Well, though there is a segment in my course called counter trending, where we do trade against the trend if price goes below 23.6 with certain confirmations, right? So that means if price was to fall here, right, it goes below here. With certain confirmations, we can take sells to down inside this level, right? Yeah, but this is bullish too. We just need to wait for price to come back inside here. It won't be now. It won't be now. It's going to be later on, maybe during New York or something. You're a destined helper. Nice. Okay. Glad I am. Oh, gold is back to the entry, guys. It's getting back the entry. Yeah, it is getting back the entry. Let's see. New York, what's the thing? London session opens in a bit. It has to open above Asian. Then we have at least some. We can say we have a little bit of some extra confirmation to hold these trades. Yeah. I thought so too, though, but because we had this candle didn't have a low, you needed to create a low. If you saw it, this candle had no low at the bottom. Price just came back for that. Yeah. Yeah, man, let's see. Guys, let's join the Telegram channel. I keep saying this, okay? We have, let's see, where are we at now? We're at 5,993. Wow. I'm going to end the stream in 10 minutes. If we don't get to 6,000, I end the stream right in 10 minutes. That means at exactly 9:10, if we don't get to 6,000 subscribers with the link in the description on Telegram, I'm going to end the stream. I really just going to end the stream. Yeah, that's a deal. I'm going to end it. Why do you always take 3 positions when trading? No, I don't always take 3 positions. I just always have 3 targets. I don't take 3 positions. I could have 3 targets, no 3 positions. Yes, I'm ending the stream in 10 minutes. If we don't get to 6,000 subscribers on Telegram, I'm going to end it. Do you also trade crypto? Yes, I do trade crypto. What does it take to be mentored by you? Just need to sign up for the courses that we have, I think. Then you should be good. Is gold still good to buy? No, no confirmation here. No confirmation. It's just ranging now. Yeah, I told you what we're looking for here, right? Yeah, this. If it happens off the stream, you're gonna be like, oh, he said it's gonna happen. Yeah. London just started. London started. Remember what I told you? London just started close to Asian sessions low, right? And it hasn't broken, all right? What this means is our trade plan is still valid, okay, on BTC. Much as our trade plan is still valid on gold, but gold is retracing back to this entry, which is okay. Which is okay. Which is really okay. It has to retrace the fact that a new session just started. It has to retrace a little bit. Yeah, it might even retrace maybe back to this level here. It might even do that before it pushes up. Yeah, in like 9 minutes, I end the stream, guys. In 9 minutes, I'm gonna end the stream. If we don't get to, we still aren't moving. Yeah, if we don't get to 6,000 subscribers in 9 minutes, I'm gonna end the stream. Yeah, I'm gonna end it, and then you guys can go ham. You guys can go ham. Even if they copy and paste, they'll still fail in the long run. No, they'll still succeed because they're working with something that works. So most likely they'll succeed. Trump's speech today. Yeah, looking forward to that. I entered early. It feels good that the analysis is the same, where you learn from the best. Buddy, you learn from the best. What's your take on BTC? I just came from a chart on BTC, man. Didn't you see that? This is my take on BTC. Yeah. I'm waiting for 5 minutes to give me a confirmation. The confirmation is right here. Okay. That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, gold is back at the entry. Are we shocked? No, we're not shocked. We saw this coming in a sense. Yeah. Guys, go join Telegram. Yeah, tell them to go join Telegram right now. I'm gonna bring a guest soon on these streams yet again. I used to bring guests at some point. I think I brought like maybe 3 or something. Yeah, I'm gonna bring another guest maybe soon on the stream to just make it more interesting, so we can trade live with this guest. He's a trader too. He has a different style, and yeah, it should be good. And then I have a female trader, extremely good female trader. She resides in Ghana. I'm gonna bring her on the stream as well. We've been waiting to do something like that, so you guys expect that. One of the streams coming up is me with a female trader. You guys can ask this female trader all the craziest questions that you have. All right, especially if you're female. Probably this could be like a jump start, because you think maybe trading is like only for the guys because it's a male-dominated industry. But then we bring a female on board, and then you just get to like ask questions, and like, you know, you get to hear the story and how they started, how it's going like now and stuff like that. So yeah, so we're gonna bring on a female trader very soon. All right, you guys should be expectant. But we have a guy that's coming on. I won't tell you who until when we actually do it. But it should be interesting. Yeah, it should be interesting. We get to trade live here together as well. And they get to call out trades based off on their trading style. And then I do the same thing I do here for you guys, basically. Right? Yeah, let's check. Telegram is still at 5993. No, it's not moving. Oh, only 6 more people. Out of 97 people, we only need 6 more people to join Telegram. Then we're gonna be at 6,000. Then we can continue the stream. But if we don't do that, I end the stream in 5 minutes. Yeah. Am I holding gold? Yes, I am still holding gold. Look, right. That's my account right now. You see it? Yeah, I am still holding gold. It just sucks that we're at some point up selling profits, and then now we're back to somewhere close to entry. But my risk is still intact, so yeah, back to the entry. BTC is about to roll. No, not just as yet. We just need to give it time. We need to give it time. Yeah, it looks like it's pushing up right now. It's creating the first leg. Okay, first leg of this. Okay, first leg of this. That's what it's doing. That's what markets always do, right? Yeah, it's creating a first leg of this. Some people think they're missing out, so they want to jump in, which is okay. But people who really wait and are professional traders, they're going to wait for. You see what happened here? You see, let me show you this cycle here, right? You see what happened here? Price did this before it took off, right? Yeah, it has to do something similar before it takes off. Price won't just run. Well, if it does, there should be some news or something. But in this case, there's nothing crazy going on right now. 60% of top US banks are geared up for Bitcoin, which is good news anyway. Yeah, but then we have to wait for it to form a second leg as well. So yeah, you guys are failing me today. I'll let you guys go hang now. This is I'm counting down to 9:10. If we don't get to 6,000 subscribers on Telegram by before 9:10, we end the stream. We're gonna end the stream. Yeah, we're gonna end the stream. We're gonna end the stream. Well, I get it. Most people are watching the stream are already from Telegram, which is okay, right? But we're gonna end the stream if we don't get there, right? Check out this. We're moving, man. We are moving yet again. Yeah, we're moving. We are moving. Are you guys making money from this trade though? Besides all I'm talking about, are you guys making money? Let me know if you're making money from this trade. Drop how much you're making. Drop how much you're making in the comments, or just drop a fire emoji or something. Just tell me how much are you making, or drop a fire emoji. Are you guys making money from this trade though? Yeah, like I know you've not hit your target yet, but are you making something? Are you winning on this trade? How do we do it? There's a link somewhere in the. There's a link somewhere there. Are you guys making some money? Let me know how much you're making if you are on this trade with me. I only gave you guys on stream this trade. I didn't give the signal platforms. They're gonna be pissed, but most of them watch the stream, so it's not an issue. Most of them do watch the stream, so. But just tell me, are you making money from this? Someone's asking, how can we join? $50. Nice. Ooh, look at that push, guys. Look at that push. Who calls out trades like this for you on the stream? And you just don't want to join the Telegram channel. It's okay. Okay, I'm going to put the link here. Anyway, let's put the link here. Yeah, we're pushing. We are pushing. Tell me how much you're making now. We are almost hitting TP1. I have 1 minute on the stream, just 1 minute, and I'm going to end the stream. I only have 1 minute here. Tell me how much you're making. Drop a fire emoji also if you're making money. All right, let's go. Let me know. Who else trades live? Yeah, tell me how much you guys are making right now. I just want to see. Let's go. Tell me how much you're making. Oh man, it's going down now. It's not going down anyway. It's just retracing. Tell me how much you guys are making right now. We took the trade right there. Let me see how much you guys are making. $2,000. Wow, that's crazy. $70. Okay, $300. Okay, $173. $40. Okay, $70. Okay, $50. Okay, $20. 600 rands. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We are trading live right now. Let's go. I don't think we can push to our TP1 in a bit. Yeah, because now we have London station volume. So I do think we can do that. Yeah. What's the overall TP? I'm looking at these first, okay? But overall it's supposed to be 5,135. Yeah, 5,135. 5,130, basically, right? 5,130. All right. This is the overall TP somewhere here. 5,130. This one here. Yeah, but then we have TP1 here. Then we have TP2 here. Okay. Take profit 2 is here. TP1 is here. Then TP3 is up here. Alrighty. Yeah. You know what you can do for me? as you're making your profits, get a screenshot, post it on Instagram, tag me. I'm gonna repost right now. Yeah, let me check who's gonna be tagging me. I'm gonna repost right now. Right? If you're on the stream, or you can get a screenshot of the stream as well. Just repost it somewhere and then repost it on Instagram. I'm gonna repost right now. Yeah. I'm gonna repost right now. There's so much retracement. Yeah. We haven't hit TP1 yet. So much retracement. But don't wait for anybody to tell you to close your trades whenever you want to, right? Just, I'm holding personally, but yeah. Retracing massively. Yeah, I think the volume is not consistent. Yeah, you can see that. We got close to TP1 there. I think the next push maybe should get us to TP1, probably. Yeah. I think the next push should get us to TP1. The next push should get us to TP1. Yeah, go tag me on Instagram, then I'm going to repost that. Sadly, I'm ending the stream. Let's see. Did we hit 6K? Hell no. We didn't hit 6K. Let me stick to my word, right? Yeah, guys, sadly, we're going to leave the stream now. All right? Yeah, I'm holding the trade. If you want to hold the trade, hold it too. If you want to secure, secure. But make sure you go join the Telegram channel. The link is attached to this same video. Even when the stream ends, go join. Then I'll let you know within the channel what I have for everybody inside there, right? Yeah. Now gold is still stuck here. Let's see BTC. Let's see BTC. BTC is going up. It's not left us though. I think yeah, we have analysis here, but it hasn't left us. It's gonna come back into this area again. NASDAQ is tracing down. We're waiting for this as well. Gold, I think, is back to the entry. Yeah, maybe it's giving us a second chance. Whatever, but yeah, man. Guys, out of the stream, also you don't have a Discord. Now I have a Discord. We'll do a window open for the Discord on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. Meantime, bye-bye. Peace out, guys.